Hello kids, how are you all? Today, let's play a mystery game called Sounds of Animals. Who says moo? Can you guess the animal that says moo? Yes, you are right. A cow says moo. Meow, meow. Can you name the animal that says meow? Yes, you are right. A cat says meow. Now, guess the animal who says neigh, neigh, neigh. Which animal says neigh? Yes, you are right. A horse says neigh. Bye. Thanks for watching.